video, we'll use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side. Now, a reminder here, the Pythagorean theorem is a to the second plus b to the second equals c. Now, c is the hypotenuse. So that is the side that is opposite the right angle. So in this case, that is our 26. So we're going to put 26 in place of c. Then I want you to substitute the other two sides in for either A or B. I'm going to put X in for A, and I'm going to put 24 in for B. Now, once you've made all your substitutions, the next step then is to go ahead and use your calculator to figure out what 24 to the second power is. You'll type that in, and you're going to get 576. Next step then is you want to go ahead and calculate 26 to the second power, and you're going to get 676. Now, we want to get the x by itself, so our next step is to go ahead and subtract the 576 from both sides of our equation, and that's going to leave us with x to the second equals 100. And then you want to take the square root of both sides. So we're going to take the square root of both sides, square root of 100 here, and that's going to give you that x is 10. So our missing side here is 10. And I want you to see the steps with the Pythagorean theorem as we try to get one of the variable by itself.